Greetings. In this video, I show you how to record a part of your computer screen. I use LICECap, a free software for Windows and Mac users. It is a simple-to-use user-friendly screen recording tool written by Justin Frankel. Justin is the founder of Nullsoft and creator of Winamp. Read the Wikipedia article for more information about him and his projects. But now back to LICECap. With LICECap you can easily record parts of your computer screen. The output is a pretty small compressed video file in GIF file format. You can then upload the file to a free image hosting provider and use the direct link in websites, blogs, or forums. Let's get started. Scroll down and download the setup file. Click on the LICECap for Windows download link. If you're on Mac, take the link above. You can access the download folder directly from Firefox. Confirm the user account control dialog. Hit the Agree button. Press Next. Then Install. LICECap has been successfully installed. Let's say, you want to create a video for someone showing off your Microsoft Paint skills. Let's start Paint. Now run the screen recording application. This is the main window. The status bar on the bottom displays the width and height and frame per second. If you want, you can move the frame while recording to record a different part of the screen. Press the record button to start. In the next dialog, choose the output folder and enter a file name. I go with the desktop. If you want to include a title, click on the checkbox. Change the title. I keep the standard duration for the title. I tick elapsed time option to print the recording time at the bottom of the video. Set a hotkey to stop the recording. My recording will be very short, so I leave that for now. If the size is important, check this option. I set the length of the video to 5 seconds. Press Save to start the recording. The application will remember all the settings. Close all open windows. Let's examine the video. The file size is only 46 kilobytes. Double-click to open it. Mission accomplished. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to hit the like button. See you next time.